Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us, which is IKEA HUSET. IKEA HUSET provides a series of doll furnitures. The doll furnitures by HUSET is a replica of popular IKEA classics in miniatures. The product shown here is IKEA HUSET doll bedroom. The length of the product is 32 cm, width is 21 and height is 17 cm. The products are made up of plastic and fabric material, and these are washable, and these are recommended for children above 3 years. When it comes to the price, it cost around 1290 in INR and somewhere around 15 USD. The HUSET doll furniture series also have a living room. It is also a replica of IKEA classic living room. IKEA is always known for its innovation. With these products, it encourages make-believe play. With these dolls, beds, and furnitures, children can imitate grown-ups and give their favorite toys or doll some extra love and care. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to get more video like this. See you next time. Thank you.